Hey guys, this is Anoop, and I hope you guys had a very good day. And right now I'm working on a flight controller. So it's my own custom. I'm actually building my own custom flight controller. So it's based on Raspberry Pi 4B, and it's actually running a MPU 6050 here. So actually I have done the sensor fusion, but actually right now I'm working on a module based approach here. So I will be working module wise. So actually I have done the sensor fusion, and I have also worked on the motor here. So I will just give you a glimpse. Okay, before that I will just show you that my transmitter is not working, and there is no nothing other than the flight Raspberry Pi here. Yeah, you could see that. And yeah, so I didn't remove the receiver here, but you could see that it's not blinking, so it's not working. Right, this is the power bank which is powering up the Raspberry Pi. And okay, we are not using the GPS. So actually I'm working on a flight controller which will be better to be used inside a GPS denied area, right? So the future is that. So I will be working on a GPS denied flight controller, which could work in a GPS denied area. So that's that. And you could see that it's connected to the lithium ion pack is connected to the PDB, right? And just let's just run the code. It will actually just calibrate so the motor and actually arm it. So let's wait a sec. Yeah. And yeah, you could see that it's arming, sorry, calibrating. So it's calibrating the ESC, and you did hear the beep, I guess. So let's just wait, and we will hear it beeping again. And yeah, so there is the beep for the that's the arming beep. And now we will see that the motor starts spinning. And yeah, spin. Okay, so it's spinning right now. So you could see that it is spinning and it's working perfectly fine. And yeah, so there you go. I'm working on this right now, but yeah, so it's going quite well. So I will post an update maybe a week later. So okay guys, bye.